Starting off with this marvel of engineering, this is one of the most mind-blowing inventions you must witness, as this homemade buggy was created over a period of 4 years. This custom-made buggy can handle any terrain, from mud and sand to rocks and snow. It has a powerful 600cc engine, a 4x4 drivetrain, and a reverse gearbox. It can reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour and has a fuel capacity of 20 liters. Craftsmen used SolidWorks, a 3D modeling software, to design the buggy. It has a steel frame, a roll cage, and a suspension system that can absorb shocks and bumps. The owner's not yet disclosed the price of the buggy yet. Moving on, we have some of the best homemade inventions that will blow your mind. This innovative technology helps you put your personality in the spotlight. Express yourself dynamically with this hat, which comes with a built-in LED display. The programmable LED display on the front can show any colors, images, and animations you can fit in an 8x8 matrix. You can connect the LED to your computer or smartphone using Bluetooth and edit the display using the app. The LED display board weighs just 4 grams, and it can also be used in any cap, as you can install it by following some simple steps. The entire package costs around $15. Let's talk about a fun toy that's extremely fun to play with and costs even less. This unique toy offers a great way out of your daily life, as now you can relax outside while shooting some arrows. The creator of this toy had no intention of going public when he developed this mini crossbow, but the toy was a sensation over the internet. This can be easily worn around your wrist and can store up to 5 rounds. The ammunition is safe and the design offers rapid shooting, making the game fun and enjoyable. The product is not for sale yet, but the STL files are available, which means you can print the toy easily using a 3D printer. We have another very impressive and unique handmade toy which we've saved for the end. This innovation is an engineering marvel, as it features recycled and cheap materials from the garage. This can be an ideal car for the kids out there to enjoy in the streets. The engine of this mini car comes from a scooter, and 2 18-volt batteries power it. The car can reach a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour, and even adults can ride in it for the vibes. It has a sturdy look and is an eco-friendly way to make your own car. The step-by-step instructions to create this car are available online, and anyone can easily access them. We have some crazy bikes and cars coming ahead, so make sure you watch this video till the end. As evident by its name, this technology helps you transform your car into a mini bar. It's designed to elevate your travel experience, as it can easily be installed on the back of your car, and its elevation and height can be adjusted according to your preference. The car bar provides the ultimate convenience for on-the-go refreshments and snacks, equipped with built-in cup holders, storage compartments, and even a fold-out table. It's very simple to install, and the entire installation process only takes 10 seconds. They're available for $192 and are becoming the favorite accessory for travel enthusiasts. We're down to the top 10 gadgets on our list today, and now we move closer to the much-awaited ones. This unique innovation straight from Sweden is an ingenious way to cook your food. Using solar power directly using these reflected mirrors, now you can host barbecue parties and amaze your guests with this technology. Combining the joy of outdoor cooking with solar energy, this technology provides a consistent and even cooking temperature. The entire system consists of 48 individual mirrors, all pointed towards a focal point where the sun's energy converges. Finding the right angle of the sun may be a problem at first, but once you find it, you can have a really amazing barbecue in no time. We have another energy technology coming up later, which produces free energy out of nothing. This unique creation brings a dimension to a beloved character, offering a fresh perspective on familiar favorites. Thanks to this artist to help form a Terminator version of Patrick himself. Using UV resins and an LED, the creators come up with this amazing piece of art, which is something to behold. Whether you're a fan of steampunk, SpongeBob, or both, Steampunk Patrick adds a touch of whimsy to your collection. You might have seen some breathtaking window designs, but what's coming ahead is uniquely amazing. Inspired by the delicate elegance of the iris flower, the iris window opens and closes with a mesmerizing petal-like motion. With a touch of a button, you can control the window's aperture, adjusting the amount of sunlight and fresh air that enters your space. The creator of this window designed everything on AutoCAD and produced this amazing 1.2 meter window for his front door. After that, we haven't heard much about the creator and the windows, but this design might be perfect for various surroundings, especially Hollywood movies. Let's talk about this innovative and cost-efficient recreational product, as it's a great creation for surfers. Jet surfing has recently become quite popular both as a hobby and a sport, with world championships and other local tournaments. However, the hefty price of the board is a big problem, as an average board costs around $23,000. To combat this problem, the creator of this board came up with a unique homemade solution. The board takes 200 hours to make, and it uses an engine worth $766 and other items like carbon fiber and rubber. This homemade board reached a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour, which is way more than many commercial boards on the market. So what do you think about this cheap alternative? Let us know in the comments. Approximately 200,000 amputations occur in the USA every year, and to combat that, we have the next amazing product. The designer and maker of this impeccable prosthetic hand actually used the one made by iDigits first, but found it slow and irresponsive at times. Therefore, he ended up making one of his own, which is completely mechanical and uses no sensors or computer parts. Each finger consists of less than 10 components, and the entire process took him 600 hours. Even if we consider the working of 600 hours, the price of this hand comes out to be $48,000, which is less than the iDigits prosthetic hand. So why not get this ingenious piece of engineering instead? Motorcycle enthusiasts, get ready, as we're about to display one of the best homemade bikes you will ever see. This handyman from Hong Kong created a motorcycle masterpiece using an old motorcycle engine and some parts from his garage. Drawing inspiration from the swift and agile Locust, this sweeping motorcycle boasts a sleek, aerodynamic form that glides through traffic effortlessly. The motorcycle is extremely fancy and eye-catching, but it also comes with a superb exhaust system that effectively cleans the street as you ride it. The exhaust pipes can effortlessly open up and close with the push of a button, giving you a perfect 2-in-1 motorcycle. Remember the fun game we talked about earlier? Let's get into it. Remember the quad-barrel rocket launcher used by Arnold Schwarzenegger in the movie Commando? This guy's created a similar toy that's not as devastating, but can be an incredibly fun outdoor activity. Customizable in design and functionality, the quad-barrel air cannon invites you to explore various shooting modes, adjust air pressure, and fine-tune your shots. The system needs to be programmed first. Once it's done, you can get creative with the ammunition. Moreover, if you have a remote controller, you can even achieve a pressure of up to 1.3 ATM. Just make sure to check your local laws before using this, as shooting such toys might be banned in some states. Coming down to the top 3 brilliant technologies, we still have an amazing car to come. If you have a flowing river near your house, you can start generating your own energy by building the smart wind turbine. This small model may look ordinary, but it's capable of generating 1.6 watts of power. However, soon after this design, the creators placed a drill having a gear ratio of 1:5 to enhance the power output, and it worked, as you can see. The light bulb turned on. This may seem small as of now, but this technology can be improved to produce much better systems. A KR-1 airplane is a single-seat, single-engine sport aircraft that was designed in the United States in the early 1970s and marketed for home building. The project was a success, and even today you can purchase a KR-2 kit costing $8,000 and build the entire plane yourself. Moreover, you can even purchase already built models of the best craftsmen out there. Would you dare to go flying on one of these hot planes? Coming down to number 1, we have a Lamborghini Aventador that was created inside a garage. Owning a Lamborghini Aventador is a dream for many, but its hefty price of at least $500,000 makes it very difficult to own. Similar was a dream of this father-son duo, who thought of building their own Aventador. After working together for 5 years, they managed to create an amazing version of the Lamborghini car with a 3D printer. Everything was accurate to the last detail, and they also made a 3D design on SolidWorks first. They were cited in numerous publications, and even Lamborghini sent them some parts as gifts, including their headlights, which cost $5,000 each. The car weighs 1.3 tons and is set to be put on the road for the first time by the end of this year.